Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Jeep Grand Cherokee faster. We'll explore simple, effective modifications that can significantly boost your vehicle's acceleration and overall performance. You'll learn about easy upgrades that provide a noticeable difference without breaking the bank, focusing on practical steps to enhance your Jeep's speed and responsiveness. First, consider upgrading your air intake and exhaust. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe more freely, drawing in cooler, denser air for better combustion. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system reduces restrictive back pressure, letting exhaust gases exit more efficiently. Together, these modifications can yield a noticeable increase in power and a more aggressive engine sound. Next, look into engine tuning and throttle enhancements. A performance tuner can recalibrate your engine's computer, optimizing fuel delivery and ignition timing to unlock hidden horsepower and torque. Adding a throttle body spacer can improve air velocity into the intake manifold, leading to better low-end torque and a more responsive throttle pedal, making your Jeep feel much livelier. Finally, consider lighter wheels and performance tires. Reducing unsprung weight with lighter wheels significantly improves acceleration, braking, and handling because the engine has less rotational mass to spin. Combining these with high-performance tires provides superior grip, ensuring more of your Jeep's power is transferred to the road. This simple change can make a big difference in how your vehicle feels and performs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.